Hey everyone, today I'm going to compare Temu versus Shein to help you decide which is better. Make sure to stick around till the very end to fully understand the pros and cons of each platform and find out which one suits your shopping needs best. So let's get started. Temu and Shein, two names you have probably heard if you are into online shopping. At first glance, they seem quite similar. But are they really the same? Yes, Temu and Shein are similar in certain ways, but they also have key differences in what they sell and how they operate. Temu offers a much wider range of products. While you can find clothes on Temu, they also sell many other items like home goods, small appliances, and toys. Their platform is more of a marketplace for a variety of items. On the other hand, Shein is known mainly as a fast fashion brand. Their main focus is on clothing, and they update their stock frequently based on current trends and customer feedback. While they do sell more than just clothes, their reputation is primarily built around fashion. Now you might wonder, are Temu and Shein owned by the same company? The answer is no. Even though they both offer budget friendly products, Temu is owned by PDD Holdings, a Chinese company that operates in US, while on the other hand, Shein is owned by Chris, a Chinese billionaire. So while their prices may be similar, the companies behind them are completely separate. Now let's talk about what makes them similar. Starting with their low prices, both Temu and Shein are able to sell items at such cheap rates because they take advantage of little-known US tax law. This law, known as de minimis value under the Tariff Act of 1930, allows packages worth less than $800 to be imported without being taxed, and that's how they can keep prices so low. And when it comes to variety, both companies deliver. Temu offers everything under the sun, from gadgets to laundry supplies. Shein, although primarily a fashion brand, has branched out to sell other things too, like home decor and beauty products. But it's not all smooth sailing for these companies. Both Temu and Shein have come under the legal scrutiny for some pretty serious issues. They have been accused of benefiting from or enabling forced labor in China. In June 2023, a report from the US Congress highlighted these concerns. There's also the environmental impact to consider. Shein's fast fashion model thrives on producing cheap clothes quickly, clothes that are not built to last. The cycle of rapid production and waste put a lot of strain on the environment. And it does not stop there. Temu's sister company, Pinduoduo, has been investigated for selling counterfeit goods, while Shein has faced accusations of selling clothes with harmful chemicals like lead. So, should you shop at Temu or Shein? That's up to you. On one hand, you're getting access to a huge variety of super affordable items. On the other hand, both companies have their fair share of controversies. Before you hit add to cart, it might be worth doing a little research, reading reviews, and even checking other retailers to make sure you're making the best decision for your budget and your values. In the end, Temu and Shein are similar but not the same. They both give you access to low cost items, but they differ in what they offer, who owns them, and the ethical questions surrounding them. So, as always, shop smart. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.